Suzuki Gsxr600cc oil change. Tools needed: 17mm socket, 2 Allen keys, tool to remove your oil filter, ratchet. You're only removing for maybe 5 bolts. Remove your left fairing. First bolt off. Second bolt. Third. Fourth bolt off below the kickstand. You want to be very careful with the clips when pulling out your fairing. This fifth one is a push-in clip under the fairing to connect both sides. You might need to remove it. Again, carefully pull out your fairing, you don't want to break the clips. Now you have access to your bolt and to your oil filter. Quick review: 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. The push-in and clips. Make sure you have something to catch your oil. Put your 17mm socket on your ratchet and remove your bolt. Bolt off. Easily turn your oil filter using your tool. When loose, just finish it up with your hand. Use gloves. You want to use aluminum to protect your headers. I didn't had any no biggie, I just need to clean up my headers real good now. Let all the dirty oil drip out for a few minutes. When putting on your new oil filter, you're going to add a bit of used oil on the gasket. Ready to be hand tied. Do not use any tool, you tie it up. Hand tie is enough. Tie it as much as you can with yours. Clean up your bolt to put it back on. Use your hand to start it. Finish it up using your ratchet. Tie it up real good. Now is ready to drop in the new oil. Grab a funnel. $16.99 DLLC. I need about $2.50 for mine. This service is really simple. After dropping in the new oil, start it on for a couple minutes. Drop as much oil your bike needs. You want to be checking your oil regularly. Here is where check your oil level. It has 2 lines, you want to stay in between. If it's below the first bottom line, you're low. You want to stay close to the upper line. This is where you want your oil level. Thanks for watching. Full video on my YouTube.
piece.